Hi everyone and welcome to this brand new tutorial. Today we are going to see how to fix a very annoying issue in UnrealEngine, the flat emissive color. Sometimes when we create a project in UnrealEngine 5.5 or in a newer version, the emissive color of our materials look flat and unlit, and it doesn't affect properly the look of light in scene. This issue is easy to solve in few steps. Probably it looks like this in the material editor. Okay, let's see how to fix that. Go to Project Settings. Look for Engine Rendering tab. And look for Default Settings. In Default Settings, look for Bloom checkbox and enable it. Restart your project. Now, your emissive color will look in the proper way inside your scene and inside your editor. Thanks for watching. To support my channel you can leave a comment, leave a like or subscribe. Activate the bell to be always informed about my latest updates. Other platform where you can support my work is Patreon. I leave the link in the video description. See you next time. Bye.